Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a convenient way to charge your phone, this Apple Lightning cord is just the thing. And the reason I love it so much is because it is pretty long. This is a 2 meter in length cord, and it's great because even if you're not close to a wall outlet, you can still charge your phone and use it at the same time and not have to put it down far away from you. So I use this all the time when I am sitting on our couch because the closest plug is a little ways away, but let's face it, I want to be scrolling on my phone when I'm watching TV, so this is the perfect solution. It is a very durable cable and it works really well. My phone charges up super fast and I've not noticed any connectivity issues. So it is a lightning port on one end and then it is the USB on the other end, and the connections just fit together super well and everything has worked really well, and I've had this for quite a long time. So if you're looking for a lightning cable to USB that is a little bit longer than the normal, I would definitely recommend this one because it has worked out very well for me and it's a great product, and that's my point of view.